In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix undeposited funds for a deposit already recorded and reconciled on QuickBooks Online. If you've ever noticed that your undeposited funds balance looks off, even though you know a deposit has already hit your bank and been reconciled, this walkthrough is for you. We're going to correct the mistake without creating duplicate income or throwing your reconciliation out of balance. Follow along carefully, and you'll have everything cleaned up by the end. First, we need to remove the incorrect deposit that's causing the issue. In QuickBooks Online, head over to the Banking or Transactions menu, then choose Bank Transactions or the Categorize tab, depending on what you see in your version. Look for the deposit that you know is wrong or needs to be fixed. Take your time to confirm it's the right one by checking the amount and the date against your bank statement. Once you're sure, click the transaction to open it and then delete the entire deposit. This clears out the incorrect record so we can rebuild it properly from undeposited funds. Next, we'll recreate the deposit the right way. From the plus icon at the top of QuickBooks, select Bank Deposit. On this screen, choose the correct bank account where the money was actually deposited and make sure the date matches the date on your bank statement. In the section that lists payments from undeposited funds, check the box for each payment that should be part of this deposit. These should add up to the gross amount you received before any fees. If there were processing fees, like from a payment processor or merchant service, add those as a separate line item on the deposit screen. Use the appropriate expense account for fees and enter the fee as a negative amount so that the total deposit matches the exact net amount that hit your bank. Double-check that the total at the bottom matches your real bank deposit, then save the new deposit. Finally, we need to reconcile this new deposit so your books stay accurate. Open your reconciliation or go to your bank account register. Find the new deposit you just created and manually match it to the bank statement. Click the checkmark next to the transaction until it shows an R for reconciled. Once that's done, the new deposit will be properly reconciled and the old incorrect one will be completely cleared from your records. Your undeposited funds balance will now reflect the correct outstanding payments, and your bank account and reports will stay accurate and clean.